guys, today I'm going to be trying out and reviewing the new Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation, which looks like this. I just got it in the mail today and I'm super excited to try it out. Being completely honest with you guys, I love this brand. I don't really think there's anything I can name that I don't like of theirs. Just love everything she comes out with, from the packaging to the actual product. I just love it. So this is the PR package that I got. So I actually got 3 different shades and I'm praying that one of them works for me. And now that I'm thinking about it, I wish I would have got a darker one because I do like to kind of like warm up and contour my face a little bit with a darker foundation, but we're just gonna have to do it without it. So it also comes with a beauty sponge. I'm excited to try this out as well, just because, you know, because blenders can be a little bit tricky. I feel like nothing really lives up to the beauty blender. So for me, when it comes to sponges, it's either good or it's bad. I use it or I don't. If there's like no in between. I don't really do a lot of reviews, so if I leave something out or I forget something, just let it slide. Don't give me a thumbs down. Okay, so it's called Meet Your Hue. It's a lightweight, medium to full coverage foundation, and it delivers a blurring effect, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and skin imperfections. There are 42 shades. I'll show you right now. 42 shades, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, and they are $36 each, which really isn't that bad. I got the color 112, 115, and 117. I'm thinking maybe 117, I hope. I hope I don't need anything darker. So it's high pigment, matte finish, buildable, lightweight, long wear. Everything you basically want in a foundation. This is the packaging. I love, absolutely love the packaging. And it comes with a pump. I'm going to apply the foundation the way I normally would. I don't use a sponge. I am going to use this for concealer because that's just the way I normally do. I use a brush for foundation. I'm also going to apply my usual primer, which is the Derma Blend Jelly Grip Primer. Okay, so this is what is this? That's 115. It looks pretty good. I don't know if it oxidizes or not. I'm going to try 117 just because I've been liking. That's kind of like a little bit lighter than my body, but my actual color, that's a good color for me. Maybe especially in the winter, that would be really good for me. I'm gonna try 117. Whoa, it looks lighter. Whoa, 117 kind of looks, well, what's happening? It does get darker immediately after you put it on. Did you guys see that? Like, I was a lot lighter, and then once it started like drying, it got a little bit darker. But those colors are really similar. I feel like 115 is a little bit darker than 117, so I'm going to use 115. I'm going to go with 2 pumps because I don't know the coverage yet. You see how it goes on a lot lighter and then it gets darker? Wow, it's crazy. Because it's pretty light for me right now. I'm hoping it gets darker when it dries. That's really light for me. I don't know if it got a little bit darker or just blended into my skin really nicely, because this is too light for me. I'd rather go darker on my face. 115, so maybe I would need like 120, or even 122. It feels really good. It doesn't feel dry at all. I have oily skin, and so I think it's going to work really well for me since it's a matte finish. In my hair. It's crazy how it looks so much lighter and then it blends into your skin. But it looks and feels really nice. Okay, now to the sponge. This is what it looks like dry. Wow, you guys, it feels so good. This is what it looks like when it's wet. So it does get a little bit bigger, and it kind of has this flat bottom right here, like that it has a really fine point. I usually use the Sigma one that has kind of like the part that's cut. Actually feels really good. It's not stiff at all. It feels really, really close to the Beauty Blender. And I really like this little point that it has. I think it's a little bit too wet because I feel like it's kind of taking off a little bit of the foundation. I'm adding a little bit more foundation right here because I feel like it took a little bit off. I don't know if my blender was too wet or what. I think it was just too wet because it's not really doing it on this side. I like the overall shape in general. Okay guys, I'm back, and I would say I'm not going to do like a wear test on the foundation, but it's been on, I would say, for maybe 2 hours. I would say maybe 2 hours. And I did set it with a little bit of Makeup Forever Mix and Fix 2. They just came out with this one. This is the second one. So I did spray it a little bit with this. And I honestly, I really, really like it. I just wish I would have got a little bit of a darker color because I really had to like put a lot of bronzer, get it a little bit darker. But I really do like it. It's not, so far, it's not moving. It's not separating. It's not like super dry. I'm not going to do an all day wear test just because I don't have time to do that. But as far as right now, I really do like it. I like the feel. The coverage is pretty good. I think I could have did another layer, but it's pretty good. It feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel cakey. I don't know. I really like it. And again, it's not like separating it anywhere. I really, really, really like it. I just need a different color. If I have any updates on it, I will leave it in the comment section below as like the day goes on, or as I wear it. I'll try wearing it again tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how that goes in the comments. The only thing I would say about it, like I would recommend probably, if you can, going in to find your color, just because like I don't know if you guys could tell when I was applying it right here on my face that it was a lot lighter when I barely swiped it on, and then it kind of got darker. I don't even think I can say it oxidizes because as I've had it on my face for a few hours, it hasn't gotten any darker. It's just that initial, once you swipe it on your face, and within those first 10 to 20, I would say like 10 to 30 seconds, it does get a little bit darker. And the sponge, I really, really like the sponge. The feel of it is amazing. It's not stiff at all. And I like the overall shape, to be honest. The like flatter side and then the super like pointy side. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this short little review. Let me know if you guys are going to try out this foundation. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.